Good evening, race fans. This is Slot Sync Championship Update, the only broadcast brave enough to ask who gave these tiny cars this much power. Here are your top stories for the week. Tucci goes perfect in Carrera 124 magnets. Mike goes perfect in Carrera 124 no mag. And we've got a gap alert in Carrera 132 and a tie confirmed in 132 no mag. We begin with our top story. The Tucci report. Officials describe the situation as calm, controlled, and deeply discouraging for everyone else participating. In Carrera 124 magnets, Tucci wins the sprint with a 1 minute 5.697 seconds in a Ferrari 296 GT3, and then takes endurance with 3.75 kilometers for a clean 12-point week. Behind him, Pete and Mike were right there in the sprint, and the endurance gap came down to just laps. Now, for your no magnet weather report, where traction is unpredictable and confidence is always partly imaginary. In Carrera 124 no magnets, Mike wins the sprint with a 1 minute 17.265 seconds in an Audi RS5 DTM. Then he wins the endurance with 2.91 kilometers for another perfect 12-point week. That's 2 in 1 week. Tucci finishes second overall and Pete takes a close third. Over to Carrera 132 magnets, where the driver list was longer than a pit strategy meeting. In the sprint, Trap Guy drops a 54.821 in Porsche 935 GT2. Trap Guy wins by 2.093 seconds, which in slot racing is basically an eviction notice. And yes, we're calling this a developing situation, a breaking story, if you will. That time was so fast I had to hire an exterminator to check to make sure there weren't bugs in the timing system. Now, second is Pete with the 56.914, and Tucci is right there behind him. In endurance, Tucci answers back with 4.05 kilometers, and Mike and Pete both hit 4.01 kilometers, separated by just laps. Now to Carrera 132 no magnets. And we have a developing rivalry. Mike wins the sprint with a 1 minute 22.295 seconds in an Audi R8. But Tucci takes endurance with 2.77 kilometers in a BMW M6 GT3. And the totals? 11 to 11. That's a tie so intense, it should come with a stewards meeting. All right, back to the board for the rest of the numbers on no magnet. Next up, we've got NSR magnets featuring a field of 2, which means every race is basically a 2-man debate. Vince wins a sprint in 52.019 seconds driving a Corvette C7R. But Tucci grabs the endurance distance and the week on points. And finally, slot at magnets, where the Maserati showed up like it had something to prove. Vince wins the sprint in 54.853 seconds driving a Maserati MC GT3. But Trap Guy takes endurance with 3.85 kilometers in a Nissan GTR. And he wins the week. And that's your January 1 recap. Remember, in slot cars, confidence is mandatory, grip is optional, and the timing system remembers everything. I'm Pete, and this has been your weekly recap. Good night, and may your D-slots be few. Now, seriously, who is writing this script? These jokes are awful. It sounds like AI is writing it and trying to be a human. Oh, it is AI? Oh, okay. Well, there's that.